Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Liquid crystal case for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from Spigen. Is there a stain? Okay. Lens and screen cleaning wipe. I like that. Crystal clear transparency, made from flexible TPU material, the case provides a clear view of your smartphone's original design, color and finish. Slim and lightweight design, the case is designed lightweight, adding minimal bulk to your device while ensuring comfortable grip. So let's find out. Nice! Shock absorption features Spigen air cushion technology at the corners to absorb shocks and protect your device from drops and bumps. Raised lips helps prevent surface scratches for camera. Nice! And screen. It feels very nice. I like it. Scratch resistant. The durable TPU material resists scratches, keeping your phone and the case looking pristine. Wireless charging compatibility. Fully compatible with wireless chargers, eliminating the need to remove the case during charging. Precise catch-outs and tactile buttons. Offers easy access to all ports, speakers, buttons, ensuring seamless operation without interference. And that's the Spigen liquid crystal case. With its slim, lightweight design and crystal clear finish, it's the perfect way to show off your phone while keeping it protected. Whether you're after sleek minimalism or reliable defense, this case strikes the perfect balance. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech accessories, gadget reviews and helpful insights. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay stylish, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.